Hey, this is Darlene with Add Real and Easy. I'm glad you guys came back. So, today I'll be showing you how to stop WhatsApp from auto downloading onto your iPhone or iPad. Now, I made a video just like this for you Android users out there, and I want you guys to check it out if you have an Android phone. So, you should be able to, I put the link for that video in the description of this video, so it'll be easier for you to find. Okay? All right, let's get started with the instructions for this, though. So, first, of course, no, just open up your WhatsApp. I'm not going to even give that as a step one. Open up WhatsApp. Step one, tap settings. Step two, tap on storage and data. And then step three, look for media auto download. Now, under media auto download, you're going to see or tap on when using mobile data. Now, when you tap on that, you're going to see like audio, video, documents, pictures, and stuff like that. Set everything to never. Never, 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 never. Set it to never. Now, underneath that, you'll also see when connected on Wi-Fi. Once again, all the, audio, video, blah, 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 set to never. After that, you're going to see when roaming. Once again, all the categories for files, audio, video, pictures, blah, 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 set to never, 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 never. And that's it. Once you've set everything to never, and those categories, when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming, you set everything to never, that's it. Then you're in control of what gets downloaded onto your phone and what doesn't. Alrighty? Let me know if you like this video and these earrings. Check out my channel more and tell others if they want, everything to be explained in a real and easy way. I'll be more than happy to do that. Take care.